your boy Afro Sniper X. Today we got a new package and it sounds like, what's that? New Glock in the box? Oh yeah. So we're gonna slice it open, check it out, see what it has in store. So excited about this package, guys. So excited. Well, they definitely put enough stuffing in there. More stuffing. More stuffing. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at that, guys. Look at that. The Gen 4 Glock 19X. Let's open it up. See what this baby does. Hopefully I don't cut myself. It'd be a shame for Afro Sniper X to get cut while opening a gun. God. Make these packages like Fort Knox. We just slice and dice. And that seemed to work, so. Ooh. Gen 4 Glock 19X with all the markings. Full blowback action. Dropout magazine. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. So, stay tuned. We're going to do a breakdown and see how it fires. Let's get into it. Before we get into the field test, I just want to give you guys a simple breakdown and the history of the Glock 19X. Now, the beginning of this year, the military had a contract out for all firearm manufacturers to develop a new compact pistol for the U.S. military. Now, this was Glock's developed right here, the 19X. Now, if you notice, it doesn't look like a standard 19, right? That's where the X comes in. It's actually a hybrid. The bottom half, which is the grip, is extended. This is actually the 17 right here, the Glock 17, and the top is the Glock 19. So you get the compactness, but the full grip, which just makes an amazing firearm and an amazing gun. Now, the reason why that the U.S. military did not actually choose this is due to the safety mechanism. SIG actually wind up winning the contract, bid, whatever you want to call it, and they wind up getting the money. So, that's the history for you guys, the simple breakdown of the Glock 19X. Now let's get into this field test, guys. Yeah! Now that completes our field test for today with the Glock 19X. I hope you guys enjoyed everything you guys seen today and learned some stuff too. This is your boy, Afro Sniper X, and keep planking and shooting and hunting, my friends. I'll see you guys next time, air gunners.